The MoversSuiteCrew mobile application is available for iPhone and iPad devices and allows local moving crews access to MoversSuite data while performing services in the field. You can download the application through the iTunes App Store. It lists under the app name of MS Crew. When you launch the app, you are prompted to enter your company ID, username, and password. The company ID is provided to you by EWS Group. It is a company-wide identifier and generally does not change. The login credentials are defined within MoversSuite. The Forget Password option is available to reset your password. If this option does not appear on your device, then you must contact your system administrator to change your password. In order to reset your password, you will need to provide your email address and phone number. This information is attached to your personnel record within MoversSuite. An email message with instructions on resetting your password is sent to the email address specified. Press the green X to close out of this screen. Enter all the credentials and press Login to open the application. Once logged in, service is scheduled for the current day display. The information that displays includes the shipper name, order number, service, dispatch status, and the scheduled date and time of the service. Tapping on the service information allows you to view more information on the service. This data includes the crew assigned to the service. Tapping on this section provides crew assignment details. You can see the role for each person and identify the lead on the job as well. The times that display for each person is the scheduled service time. Tapping on a record opens up a screen containing their contact information. You can call or send a message directly from this screen by tapping on one of the phone numbers. And you can quickly email the person as well. Tap the green arrow in the upper left-hand corner to work your way back through the screens. You can view the top line or two of any service instructions that may exist. You can also tap on the instructions to view the complete text. Underneath the instructions, you can view even more information including the requested count for labor and equipment resources, the personnel and resource counts actually assigned to the service, any material counts, and packing and unpacking totals. Tap on Contacts to view origin and destination addresses for the service. Tap on one of the addresses to view phone number and address information. Tap on Phone Number and you have options to call or send a text message. Tapping on the address evokes options allowing you to get directions using your preferred mapping tool. Also from the contact screen, you can view the customer and other personnel assigned to the order, such as the coordinator and salesperson. You can quickly get in touch with any of these contacts through here as well. Order notes display on the Notes page. Notes may include special instructions, dispatch notes, etc. Data for each note includes the date it was added to the system, the source of the note, type, and the text of the note. Tap the note to view it in its entirety. Under Documents, you can view the files associated to the service through the document management system. You can tap on a document to view its content. Close out of the viewer by pressing the X. You can add a photo to the list of documents by tapping on Add Photo. You can choose to take the picture using your device's camera feature or open a file already stored on your device. You must update the privacy setting on your device to grant MS Crew access in order to take advantage of this feature. If you open your settings and scroll down the app listing, you will find MS Crew. Tap on MS Crew and options there include the ability to access photos and the camera. Slide the toggle to activate these settings. When adding a document to the service, the application prompts you to enter a title. The document is added to the service and lists under a default category established on your MoversSuite system. Please understand that only documents and notes that are specifically tagged to be visible to the crew show up on the mobile device. The tagging occurs within MoversSuite wherever notes display and in the document management system. Now, the feature that you will use the most is the punch. Next to the shipper's name, you can tap on Punch. This opens a list of activities on that job that you can punch or log into. Tap the activity you wish to punch into. If you have recorded time against an activity, you can view that information here. Tap on Punch In. Use the rolling date scroller to choose the exact time you want to punch in with. The date defaults to what is set for the service. Make adjustments accordingly. At the top of the screen, you have options to cancel the punch by pressing the green X, or confirming the punch by pressing the green check mark. The screen updates to reflect the punched-in time and offers a punch-out option. If you are logged into a service, you can see this by viewing the activities list. You can also view the punch status from the info screen. You can always press on Punch to view a list of activities and see the one in which you are logged into. Another way in which you can punch out of an activity is simply punch into another activity. The activity can be on the same job or on a different job altogether. Set the time of the new punch and confirm the punch. A warning appears. The dialog informs you of the activity you are currently punched into. Press Yes to log out of the activity and log into the new one. The punch status is updated and you are now logging time under the new activity. A few more things to point out before we end today. On the job screen, you can view your past jobs as well as any upcoming jobs. The details and options available to you for the current job are also available for these jobs as well. You can refresh the listing manually by dragging the screen down until the loading icon appears. You can perform the refresh from any screen. The refresh brings in any recent changes that may affect the jobs, such as dispatch status changes, etc. Tapping on Account opens up your account information, including your profile picture. You can tap on your profile picture to update it. Options here include taking a new picture or choosing one already loaded on your device. The feedback option opens a separate browser window accessing the MoversSuite suggestion site. You can provide valuable information to help improve the MoversSuite application and your user experience. Press Done to close this site. You can view the application license agreement by viewing the Terms and Conditions screen. MoversSuite also provides a website on its cloud-based platform called Movers Connect. You can access this site directly by tapping on the Review, Approve, and Edit Punches option. Use the same credentials you referenced when logging into the application. From this site, you can provide a comment regarding your punch activity. When the page loads, click on Crew Time. The site provides you the ability to search by punch activity or by service using a date range. Only your punch activity displays. You have the ability to provide a comment to your lead regarding the punch. Press Save to add the comment. The service listing allows you to view services to which you are assigned. You can also access your punch information by clicking on Crew Time. Specifics on the activity display. If you want more information on the activity, you can press Details. You can also edit the punch and provide a comment on the activity from here as well. This information is passed along to the crew lead, who in turn approves the time entry. The crew leads can update the date and time associated to your punches, so use the comment to providing meaningful instructions to your lead. The ability to log into the Crew Time site is available on just about any device, such as a computer or iPad. The last account option is the ability to log out of the app.